Hello, I'm Mrs. Vaishali Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati Tutorials. If you like my video, then please share it, subscribe it, like it, and press bell icon also. Now these are all taken from board question papers. See here, every year one question is there on Bayes theorem and there are more marks for that Bayes theorem. So you will have to study it carefully. Yeah? One problem will be there on Bayes. Total probability sometimes question comes, but Bayes theorem always question comes. 3 clerks process incoming copies of certain forms. The first clerk A processes 40%, means he checks 40%. Second clerk B processes 35% and third clerk C processes 25%. Their sum is 1. The first clerk has an error rate of 0.04 and the second clerk has an error rate of 0.06 and third has 0.03. The form is selected at random and found to have an error. See here, found to have an error. Find the probability that the form is processed by clerk C. See, if you will see the last thing, something has happened and we have to find out probability. It is Bayes theorem. And what is asked probability? It comes partition. That means form is processed by clerk C. It comes in partition. So here I will not change the notation. I will not write ABC. If you write ABC, you will get confused. So always you write E1, E2, E3, then problem will become easy. E1 is the form processed by clerk A, E2 is by B, E3 by C, and it is given. See here, clerk A processes 40%, E2 35%, and E3 25%. This is a partition. Sum is 1 here. And A is an error in the form. And it is given that when first clerk makes, what is the error here? Probability of error made by first clerk is 0.04. It is given here. Here it is given, see, 0.04. By second it is 0.06. Third it is given like this. And we have to find out probability when it is processed by C. C means we have to find out probability of E3 by A. Write formula, substitute and simplify. I am not doing that. That is a calculation part. You can do it. There are 1,000 orange juice bottles, 2,000 apple juice bottles, 3,000 mango juice bottles. The probability that orange juice bottle, apple juice bottle and mango juice bottles breaks is 0.3, 0.3, 0.05. One of the bottle breaks. Find the probability that it is an apple juice bottle. This is Bayes theorem. So I will write E1 is selected bottle is orange juice bottle. E2 is, so probability of E1 will be totally how many bottles are there? 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000, it will be 6,000. Out of that, orange bottles are 1,000 upon 6,000 means 1 by 6. Apple, it will be similarly 1 by 3. 2,000 divided by 6,000, it will be 1 by 3 and this is half. So here we got an event A is selected bottle breaks. And you know probability of A by E1, you know it is given. This you know, this you know. So this is your, you have to find out, it is apple juice bottle. Apple is second one. We want to find out probability of E2 by A. This is a formula. Substitute here, simplify. I am not doing it. You have to do it. Only hints are given. A and B are independent events. See here. A and B are independent events. P of A is this, P of B is this. Then we have to find out P of A and not B. So P of A and not B means complement of B. And you know its value is this. If you want, you can check. This is complete suppose sample space. A intersection not B means from A you cancel out B here, remove. So it will be A minus intersection, no here. This shaded part will be A minus intersection of A intersection B it is. But these are independent events. It is given. Underline this. This is important. Read carefully. So this is PA into PB. So we know all the values. Substitute. You will get this answer. A biased die is twice likely to show an even number as an odd number. The die is rolled 3 times. If the occurrence of an odd number is considered as success, find the probability distribution of number of successes. Find mean of the successes. See here what is given. A biased die is twice likely to show an even number. So probability of even number is twice probability of odd number by given condition. But you know probability of your odd numbers plus probability of even numbers is 1 because only 2 cases are there. But probability of E is equals to twice PO. So probability of PO will become 1 by 3. PO will become 1 by 3 it is. It is 1 by 3. And this will become 2 by 3. Success is getting an odd number. Success is getting an odd number. So here it will be P is equals to 1 by 3 getting odd number success. Q will be 2 by 3. So we have to make table. So X is equals to number of successes. And what we are doing here, the die is rolled 3 times. So X can take 0, 1, 2, 3 values. This 0 you have to take always, 3 values X will take. So here it will be Px will be what by binomial distribution we are doing because the die is thrown. No, so by binomial distribution X because success is here. So X is equals to 0 you find out, X is equals to 1 you find out, X equals to 2 you find out, X equals to 3 you find out. But when you will find out all these things, see whether their sum is 1 or not. And that you write in the table. Because we want to write table, so you have to write table. And mean will be this into this plus this into this plus this into this plus this into this. Multiply and add. It will be 27 by 27. It will be 1. A die is tossed twice. Die is tossed twice and getting a number. Either C problem will be by binomial distribution or by Bayes theorem. Usually such type of questions are there. So if you will be perfect in that, then it will be easy. So I am solving maximum problems on this. A die is tossed twice and getting a number greater than 4 is considered as success. Find the variance and probability distribution of number of successes. So number is greater than 4 will be 5 and 6. So probability will be 2 upon 6 because there are 2 faces for a die. It is 1 upon 3. So Q will be 2 by 3. N will be 2. So X is equals to X will take value 0, 1, 2 and their probability here at X equals to 0, here N is 2 here. So by using substituting I am finding values but check their sum should be 1. That's why I am not cancelling N sum. Even though it cancels, here it will not cancel but usually I am not cancelling. So EX will be this into this plus this into this plus this into this. And EX will be variance EX square you find out. Square of this into this, square of this into this, square of this into this. And then variance is EX square minus EX whole square. Substitute, simplify. This will be your answer. Next time I will solve some more problems on probability. So you should be perfect in that and you must get full marks in that. I will stop here now.